Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This is another big chunky journal. I wanted to do, I don't know what it is lately. I've started off doing like one signature journals, and then they've morphed into two signatures and into much bigger journals. So this again is using a lot of different stuff. I'm not going to try and remember everyone. I'm just going to do a little bit of talking and then just do a flip through of it. But there is things from my own shop, ARTYmaze, Tracie Fox, the old design shop. Freebies, some of it is freebies from my shop as well, some of it's freebies from other people's shop. There is the stuff in here that I've been doing with my craft with me's. I've popped them inside. The journal itself it's a big grungy tall junk journal, and it measures 8.5 by 4.5, 1.5 inch spine, two signatures, 104 pages front and back. We've got flip out pages in here as well. The cover is fabric, like a textile fabric. The mouth of it, just move my scissors, the mouth of it, so the spine, what did I say, was like 1.5. I mean, if you take everything out of there, it's like pretty flat really, but there is a lot going on. Woof, magic. Look at that. The lighting's not great in here. I keep saying it, I need a new light. I was talking to my husband today about it, and he's going to sort me out a light that comes from the ceiling, but you can extend it and move it around when you need to. So anyway, we've got a topper here. That's a freebie. So is that. This is from ARTYmaze. The butterfly, I think, is maybe one of mine. I'm not sure. I made a big roll of dictionary. This is vintage dictionary as well, like ruffle. So I've been using that throughout as well. So I'll quickly show you that. We've got coffee dyed cotton fabric as a closure. And as you open this, you can see, look, it's like a Rolodex. Anyway, there's nothing. What I was going to say as well, before I crack on with the flip through, is this will be in my shop for sale. I will have it at reduced price today, which is the 8th of March. Isn't it gone quick? 8th of March already. And that's 2024, just in case you're watching 2026 or something. Anyway, this paper here, I said I wasn't going to do this, did I? So we've got tags here and labels and pockets and stitching. If you want to know anything in particular, ask in the description box. Here we've got a little snippet that I made. These are just little bits that was left over, and I just clumped them all together. A nice word, isn't it? Clumped them all together and put a paper clip. I can't even do it now. It's just because I was trying to hold that open. That goes in there. Is that where it came from? Yeah. We've got a tag here, butterfly clusters, somewhere to journal, just some paper ruffle here. That's a vintage book page. Page here, some tags. These are the little stamps that I stamped onto coffee dyed paper and then backed it onto, it was actually a really old envelope, and then stitched. These are Tracie Fox. That's my paper ruffle. Lined paper, just some bits and bobs here. It's grungy, it's eclectic, it's fun to make. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. Find that below. Little pockets there, little flip out here. We've got a postcard there. That's a freebie on my coffee shop as well. Little butterfly thing going on here, somewhere to write. Pockets, as you can see, I've done a lot of stitching in this. Had my sewing machine serviced. It sounds, in fact, you can hardly hear it now, which is great. It was very overdue. That's them little paper dolls digital kit. Yeah, that's amazing, the sewing machine now. So that flips out. You can do lots of bits and pieces on there. We have got central signatures, string, not string, thread, cotton, just a little. It's digital from, oh, TaylorMadeJournals, that I mentioned in the beginning. Oh, and this, I believe, is from, I think, Rachel Bella Crafts. Flip up, you can journal, you can stuff things inside there. Then that's on here. That's a Tracie Fox tag, and a stitch around it as well, because I backed everything. These were a craft with me video the other day, and that goes on there. Postcard, that is some more pieces from the old design shop. Postcards are from Tsunami. Oh, and if anyone didn't know, she has managed to get her Etsy store back opened again after the little hoo-ha with that little cluster there. These are actually freebies. They're dictionary pages with florals on them. Obviously I cut them down, they are bigger than that. Cut them down just to get that piece from it, and that goes in there. The little labels, a lot of them are ARTYmaze and Tracie Fox. You can find the ladies linked below. So Tracie Fox tag, little pieces in here. Yeah, a motorbike. I don't know if it's one of my friends, my friend's sons, my son's friends. Made that the other week. Is it open? It's open. You can tuck something in there. That's a little flip out that away. Quite enjoying. Oh, and that's a tag. It's for the Grungy Butterfly freebie on my coffee shop. Enjoying doing these little flip out things at the moment. Goes that away. Put that there. That heart is from something. It's one of my kits. Butterflies, ARTYmaze. This in the background is ARTYmaze. That's the same as there. Little cluster here. Little piece there. I don't know where she's from. It's a little stamped piece. I'm really enjoying doing these journals because they're just fun, as in, like, there's no, you don't really need to think that much about them. Oh, that's just one signature. Thought it was nearly done then. Another tag in here, little piece there, just dress that up a little bit, pops in there. That's a little sorry about that, it's a little cluster. Don't know who that is, I'm just so nosy. I can see, like, my window, which is just there, is out onto a little cul-de-sac out the back, so I do see a lot going on. Little tuck spot there, that's just corrugated card and fabric and just bits and pieces and a butterfly. How cool is that? Little guy there. Oh, postcard here, I think that's opened there, maybe. It's opened there as well, so you can tuck a little something in there. Tags there, love them tags. They're from ARTYmaze with her Tag Galore kit. Paper, little bits and pieces in here, little tag. How cute is that? I just folded that over like so. Another little tag there. Paper ruffle. Little pieces here. That's an up and down flippy uppy thing. You could glue it here and here, make it a permanent pocket, but I just thought it's adding like journal space as well. Little heart, that's my heart, and ARTYmaze flower, not a flower, butterfly, Tracie Fox. And I added some labels onto the Tracie Fox labels as well. I love them labels. They're not labels, tags. They're just so cute and grungy. Here, that I made that a couple of weeks ago. That's open there if you can tuck things inside. That was a craft with me video. some journal space in the middle. You can write. It's you know, it's not that chunky that you can't. Little piece of ephemera there from TaylorMade, and I think that's that corrugated card, the one that I got with a dinner set the other week. Might have to buy some more dinner sets. That's another tag that I made. That was a craft with me, and this is a freebie. So it's journal space as well. Now this was a lot of fun, and a lot of love went into this journal. And here, oh, that opens out like so. Little cluster. That goes there. Here we've got that little piece. And then this was just a whole, oh, they actually come out of there. A whole lot of little scrappy pieces sitting on the table. Folded them all in half and then just ran it through the sewing machine. So it's like a little booklet. Oh, and they go in there. Like so. And some more of my dictionary page ruffle. This the tag is the old design shop. I can't help myself, can I? Like saying who and where I got it from. whose it is, where I got it from. And this is a freebie. Labels ARTYmaze. That flips out. We've got some. That's the old design shop as well. I printed that on nice thick paper. Made that the other week on a craft with me. So yeah, once I've got a few craft with me things, I'll just pop them into videos, into journals. I can't talk today. Little tag there, Tracie Fox. That is brown paper packaging, and I just actually it was just little bits, and I just folded them all up and just sewed it. Oh, there's nothing in there. And a tag here. And there we go. So that is the monstrous. It is very chunky, isn't it? That chunky. Absolutely love it. And that's it, just sitting naturally like a Rolodex. So like I said, today will have a special offer on it, and then it will go back up. I've been doing that like with every journal, so when I put it up on that day, I'm just holding that, my tummy's holding one end of it so I can tie the other side. So yay, there we go. Excuse all the fluffy bits everywhere. Oh, that was a nice bit. Oh, keep that. Yeah, so all the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.